Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about how to destroy weeds naturally with something you probably already have in your kitchen: baking soda. Baking soda isn't just for baking cookies or freshening up your fridge. It's a powerful, natural weed killer too. So, if you're tired of using harsh chemicals, stick around because we've got some amazing tips for you. Alright, let's dive right in. Weeds can steal nutrients from your plants and make your garden look messy. But don't worry, baking soda is here to save the day. Baking soda works because it's a salt that dehydrates and destroys plant cells. When you apply it to weeds, it draws out moisture, effectively killing the weed from the roots up. The best part? It's safe for the surrounding soil and plants when used correctly. Here's what you'll need: baking soda, a small sieve or flour sifter, a spray bottle filled with water, gardening gloves. Step 1. Identify the weeds you want to target. Make sure the weeds are slightly damp by spraying a little water on them. This helps the baking soda stick better. Step 2. Take your baking soda and put it in the sieve or sifter. Then, simply dust the baking soda over the leaves and around the base of the weed. You don't need a lot, just a light, even coating. Step 3. Wait and watch the magic happen. In a few days, you should start to see the weeds shrivel and die. If the weeds are particularly stubborn, you might need to reapply after a week. And there you have it. A simple, natural way to get rid of weeds using baking soda. It's affordable, eco-friendly, and it really works. Here are a few additional tips to make sure you get the best results. For best results, apply baking soda on a sunny day. The heat will help activate the baking soda and speed up the process. Be careful not to use too much baking soda around your plants. While it's safe in small amounts, too much can alter the soil's pH balance. Regular maintenance is key. Keep an eye on your garden and treat weeds as soon as you spot them to prevent them from spreading. You can also use baking soda to keep driveways, sidewalks, and patios weed-free. Just sprinkle it in the cracks and watch the weeds disappear. Remember, gardening is all about patience and consistency. Regularly using baking soda as part of your weed control routine will keep your garden looking beautiful without the need for harmful chemicals. So, there you have it, folks. A natural, simple, and effective way to tackle those annoying weeds using baking soda. Hey, again! If you're still here, that means you're serious about keeping those weeds at bay. Let's quickly cover some common questions and troubleshooting tips. Questions 1. What if baking soda doesn't work on some weeds? If baking soda doesn't seem to work on certain weeds, they might be particularly tough or well-established. In that case, try applying the baking soda more frequently, or combining it with other natural methods, like vinegar. Persistence is key. Questions 2. Can I use baking soda on my lawn? Using baking soda on your lawn can be tricky because it can also harm your grass. It's best used for targeting weeds in garden beds, driveways, and walkways. For lawn weeds, consider using a different natural remedy. Questions 3. Is there a specific time of year that's best for applying baking soda? Spring and early summer are the best times to apply baking soda, as this is when weeds are actively growing and most vulnerable. However, you can use it whenever you see weeds pop up. Alright, that's all for now. Don't forget to share this video with your fellow gardening friends. Together, we can create beautiful, weed-free gardens naturally. See you next time.